Good evening. Let's start with MCQs of Unit 5 of Plus 1 Biology. So, Unit 5 of Plus 1 Biology is Human Physiology, and the chapter under this unit are Digestion and Absorption, Breathing and Exchange of Gases, Body Fluids and Circulation, Excretory Products and their Elimination, Locomotion and Movement, Neural Control and Coordination, Chemical Coordination and Integration. सो ये जो ह्यूमन फिजियोलॉजी के अंडर चैप्टर हैं जिनके मैंने अभी नाम लिए, इनसे रिलेटेड 50 क्वेश्चंस, 50 मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस जो हैं वो इस वीडियो में आपको मिलेंगे. शुरू करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है चाइलोमाइक्रोन्स आर. सो चाइलोमाइक्रोन्स होती हैं फैट ड्रॉपलेट्स कोटेड विद ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, हिपैरिन इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय. सो हिपैरिन प्रोड्यूस करते हैं लिवर सेल्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, इन ग्लूकोनियोजेनेसिस. ग्लूकोनियोजेनेसिस में क्या होता है? कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स आर सिंथेसाइज्ड फ्रॉम फैट्स एंड प्रोटीन्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, टस्क ऑफ एलिफेंट्स आर मॉडिफाइड इन सीजर्स. विटामिन needed for rhodopsin formation is vitamin A. Which of the following is a trace element? So copper is a trace element. Copper. Question number 7, Kupffer cells. Kupffer cells are found in liver. रेस्पिरेटरी कोशेंट, जिसे हम RQ भी शॉर्ट फॉर्म RQ लिखते हैं, RQ ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स विल बी 1. Question number 9, hemoglobin is having maximum affinity with carbon monoxide CO. Question number 9, no respiratory pigment is found in cockroach. Question number 10, SARS. SARS is caused by a variant of common cold coronavirus. Question number 11, ड्यूरिंग हाइबरनेशन जिसे कि विंटर स्लीप के नाम से भी जाना जाता है, फ्रॉग रेस्पायर थ्रू. ड्यूरिंग हाइबरनेशन फ्रॉग रेस्पायर थ्रू इंटेगुमेंट. नेक्स्ट, वाइटल कैपेसिटी ऑफ लंग इज टीवी प्लस IRV प्लस ERV. टाइडल वॉल्यूम प्लस इंस्पिरेटरी रिजर्व वॉल्यूम प्लस एक्सपिरेटरी रिजर्व वॉल्यूम. Question number 12, during expiration diaphragm becomes dome shaped. Question number 13, respiratory center that control normal breathing lies in. So respiratory center that control normal breathing lies in medulla oblongata. Question number 14, one molecule of hemoglobin carries molecules of oxygen 4. Smallest blood vessel in the body is capillary. Capillary is the smallest blood vessel in our body. Question number 16, pH of arterial blood is 7.4. Question number 17, conversion of fibrinogen to fibrin is catalyzed by thrombin. Question number 18, blood dust present in blood plasma is known as hemoconia. Next, blood clotting is initiated by prothrombin and fibrinogen. The pacemaker of heart is SA node. Natural pacemaker है ये SA node. Question number 21, vasoconstriction causes. So vasoconstriction क्या cause करती है? Increase in blood pressure. Increase in blood pressure. Next, sorry. Question number 22, when heartbeat decreases, the condition is called, when heartbeat decreases less than 60 times per minute, उस कंडीशन को बोलते हैं ब्रेडिकार्डिया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 23, यूरिया इज ट्रांसपोर्टेड थ्रू ब्लड प्लाज्मा. ह्यूमन इज यूरियोटेलिक. Diuresis, human is ureotelic. Next है diuresis is loss of excess water in urine. Question number 26, healthy human does not excrete out in his urine alanine. Glucose is completely absorbed in proximal tubule. Question number 28. In micturition, what happens? Urethra relaxes. Question number 29. Yellow color of urine is due to urochrome. Question number 30. Osmoregulation is the function of vasopressin. Question number 31. Number of cervical vertebrae in mammal is 7. Question number 32. Which of the following is a contractile protein? So contractile protein is tropomyosin. Question number 33. EDTA injected into muscles combine with calcium 2 positive and stops contraction. Question number 34. Synovial fluid is present in freely movable joints. Question number 35. Total number of bones in human skull is 29. Question number 36. Colles fracture. Colles fracture is associated with रेडियस. रेडियस हमारी आर्म में प्रेजेंट होती है, ये बाजू में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 37. विच क्रेनियल नर्व हैज़ हाईएस्ट नंबर ऑफ ब्रांचेस? सो वेगस nerve has highest number of branches. Question number 38. Retina is most sensitive at macula lutea. Question number 39. The center for the sense of smell in brain is cerebrum. The center for the sense of smell in brain is cerebrum. Question number 40. In the human being, the number of spinal nerves are 31 pairs. A person having deficient rhodopsin synthesis should take carotenes and papaya. Largest ear ossicle is Malleus. Malleus is the largest ear ossicle and stapes is the smallest ear ossicle. Question number 43. An area of retina which does not have rods or cone is blind spot. Question number 44. Which one is a motor nerve? Oculomotor. Oculomotor is a motor nerve which has H-shaped gray matter, spinal cord. Question number 46. In which of the following only cone cells are found? Fovea centralis. Fovea centralis has only cone cells are found. Question number 47. Eyes of cats glitter at night due to presence of tapetum callosum. Question number 48. Oxytocin helps in childbirth. Oxytocin helps in childbirth. Question number 49. Which endocrine gland becomes inactive during old age? So thymus endocrine gland becomes inactive during old age. Melatonin is secreted by pineal. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.